So you landed on this video because you heard that Nowsite is throwing a little convention this weekend and you want to know what it's all about. All right, let me tell you. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate multiple companies, including this one, as you can see on the flyer. And here, let me give you some news that you can use, because this weekend, Nowsite is unveiling a new product and a new service that they are going to be unleashing to the field, and you can have first crack at knowing what that is if you join this free event. So you can go right now, and as you can see at the bottom, you can actually register for this event. It has free registration, so it ain't gonna cost you anything but a little bit of time, okay? It's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, okay, to 12:30 p.m. Eastern, so not too long. And it's gonna be at the link that you see below at that septemberevent.now.site. Now, as you already know, you've been following me, Nowsite has been unleashing a lot this year, okay? Just been scaling it up, scaling it up, scaling it up. And now they introduced Network. Well, Nowsite Network and Insight will do two things. One, Insight will let you know that if you send out something to your prospect, if they actually opened it or not. So you send them an email, or you send them a video, Insight lets you know, oh wow, this person actually opened up your email. And then that's great for following up, because if I know when you open up one of my emails, then I also know when to follow up with you right after, right? Hey, how you doing? How'd you like what you saw? And you're gonna be you're gonna be primed for closing because it's fresh in your brain. Okay, so that's what Insight does. What networking does is it lets you take a name of your prospect, like a name, a phone number, or email, plug it into to a search engine, and then in turn get back a ton of data. Okay, 7 pages of data on, you know, what about that prospect. So I think I did a demonstration of mine, and I did a whole video on it. But what it basically will show you, like my likes, my dislikes, my income, if I'm a homeowner, what I like to eat, if I'm a health nut or not, like a bunch of different things that's going to help you be able to know exactly how to reach out to me. Okay, especially when following up. It's going to let you know exactly, you know, my likes, my dislikes, and where most likely what will resonate with me, as well as what probably wouldn't resonate with me. You see what I'm saying? So very, very, very powerful. And all this is going to be unveiled this weekend. So all this is going to be unveiled along with some other surprises. Plus I'm going to be speaking. So again, this straight to the point. If you want to attend, okay, then just hit that link below. Also, don't forget that if you want to get access to all my #1 top income opportunities, you want to see how I maintain my 6-figure income, don't forget to scan that QR code that you see above. Okay, so get your phone, put it in front of that QR code, scan it, and you'll actually be able to see exactly how I maintain my 6-figure income. All right, and you'll be able to see all the opportunities that I'm in, all the top income opportunities I'm in right now. You'll be able to have first access to that, be able to see it right there firsthand. Okay, so awesome stuff. Also, if you want to join Nowsite before the event, okay, like you say, look, I already know what Nowsite's about. I've been following your journey and I want to jump aboard. Then you can just hit that link below where it says getmoneylikeaboss.com, and that'll get you started with Nowsite. If you're still on the fence, that's okay. If you still need to see more, that's okay. Come to our event, okay? I invite you as my guest. Come to our event. I promise you will not be disappointed, okay? So come to our event on Saturday. Matter of fact, this is what I'm going to do, okay? So if you're watching this, okay, because this ain't going to last, you know I'm the owner of Elite Smart Card. What that is, a digital business card that if you tap on someone's phone, you instantly share your information with them, okay? Very, very powerful tool, especially during COVID, where nobody wants to exchange dirty business cards, right? So now you can tap a business card and share all that information. You can sell videos, you can share PDFs, you can share your website, your phone number. I mean, anything you want, anything you can think of, you can pretty much put on this card and share it. Everybody that attends this event this weekend, you reach back out to me, and if you sign up afterwards, I'm going to send you a free card. Okay, that's right. I'm going to send you a free Elite Smart Card. All right, so that's going to be my gift to you. And last but not least, if you want to also get access to all my top income opportunities, but via text, then text Get Money to 702-553-3326, and I'll send you a text back showing you my top income strategies. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos, and you don't have to miss out, okay, on that news that you can use. I appreciate you. I hope to see you this weekend at our event. All right, again, 8:30 PM, that's Eastern, not Western. And again, we're only going from 8:30 to 12:30. So lock in with some bosses, and hopefully you'll be the next boss joining us and locking arms, and then your picture will be on the next flyer. I appreciate you. Can't wait to see you. Hey, have a blessed day.